So this is the scene that I am waking up to this morning. That is a hell of a lot of snow. I'm going to put out the big guns this morning because I am ridiculously cold. I'm going to bring my Uggs, or wear my Uggs rather. It is Baltic, even in the house. So happy Vlogmas, day 8. I feel like I didn't even get to say that to you guys this morning because I was just trying not to die of hypothermia. I'm gonna have to go out and start up my car, leave it running, and I'm gonna have to wear like the biggest, fluffiest jacket. Okay, I need to get my act together because I'm going to get my hair done. Look at this frizzy mess. Like, what is going on here? I hate driving in the snow. It's terrifying. And if you live in Ireland, like, there's no chains for your tires. They don't plow the streets. No, you gotta just make it through and just pray to God that you don't like have an accident. So wish me luck. Oh my god, look at this. This is ridiculous. Oh man, alive. You can't even see my car. Oh my god. Like, I can't see my car. I'm gonna have to... Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my actual god, this is ridiculous. Dad was like, you're gonna break your wipers if you go out there. I was like, no, it's only a little bit of snow. Only a little bit. Okay, right, let's heat up the beast. Look at this, snow in my car, and I can't see anything. Like, nothing. I should put the heater on. Just so I can drive in the road because it's ridiculous. Like the snow, oh man, alive. I just have to put the wipers on and I can see through it. People are out making snowmen, my neighbours. They have a lot of time on their hands, clearly. We are the heroes of our time. We're dancing with the demons in our minds. My hair did. It's nice and soft now and a little bit more manageable than it was this morning. Sometimes it just gets a bit out of hand. I went out to Amy today, but it's supposed to snow again and the roads are not great. The roads around my house are really bad, but they're not that bad in the main roads. The snow seems to have cleared just a little bit. To edit yesterday's vlog now this morning, and then I'm going to edit a beauty video for tonight. Hello, little snow pup. Go get the ball, Chewy. It's in the snow. Oh, snow puppy. Look, Chewy, the ball is right there. Oh my god, you're walking on top of it. Oh my god, you're the silliest dog ever. You're so silly. No, can I have for you? Ow! Oh god, he's after destroying me with snow. I'm finally getting to check in with you guys. I have been editing all bloody day. It is currently 2:15 and I'm still editing. I have a video to send off. Ow! A sponsored video to send off this morning. Well, I hope I can send it off in time. It's what's on my iPhone. I'm working with an app and they wanted to sponsor me and I was like, oh my god, I'm doing a what's on my iPhone video, how ideal. So that video hopefully will be going up on Saturday, if not Monday, depending on when they approve it, because I think they're out of their offices from Monday. It's in America, the company that I'm dealing with, so maybe they celebrate Hanukkah because I think that's coming up. I'm going to send that off to them today. I just hope I can send it off before the end of their working day. They're 5 hours behind me, so I should have no issue. I'm making myself a cup of tea right now and I'm gonna have myself a Marks and Spencer's cookie because I picked some of them up yesterday. I've nothing really else exciting to check in with you guys at this current moment. I'm gonna put on a DVD and I'm watching 27 Dresses. Could I get any more girly? Ollie came into my room this morning. She was like, I need gloves this morning because it's so cold. And I was like, yeah, there's gloves there and there. And she's like, why are all your gloves so girly? Because they have bows on them and all sorts. And then I was like, right, well, you can go pick up your own gloves next time and don't be borrowing mine. I'm joking. I gave her like mitten ones with like the fingers cut out of them. She seemed happy enough. Look how cute my Christmas mug is. I bring this out every year. It is so old, but it does the job, holds the tea. I'm so excited to drink out of it this year. I just love it so much. Cutest mug ever. Honestly, Marks and Spencer's cookies are divine. They are the best thing since sliced bread. I love our Christmas tree this year. I must say it is beautiful. lit the fire and I'm watching Just Friends. I love that movie. It's so funny. I'm editing my November favorites, so I hope to have that up at 6 this evening, although it's 5:30 now and I'm not, well, no, I'm over halfway done. We're not doing too bad, but if it goes up at 7, sure, so be it. My Zara order finally arrived. I don't know if I was telling you guys, but it was taking ages. Everything's taken so long to arrive now just because it's coming up to Christmas and the postman is run off his feet. I've spent the whole day working. I've actually done so much today. This is my third video to edit. No, my second video to edit, and then I have to do my vlog from yesterday, which I hope to have up pretty soon. Vlogs are going up a bit later than normal, which I'm sorry about, but they're getting up on the day that I hope they go up anyway, so that's the main thing. I'm going to put away all my Penneys stuff that I got yesterday, so I'll show you that in a while. I just want to make sure that I have all my videos ready to go before I do that. So I'm just putting away all my Penneys stuff that I picked up. Guys, I ended up getting the Marie slippers. They are massive, like they're really, really big. My sister was like, they look like boats. They're so big, but they'll be just so cozy over Christmas. I love them and I've wanted them for so long, and yeah, finally got a hold of them. I also got my Christmas bed sheets. So these are the bed sheets that I'm going to have on my bed at Christmas time, and they're Beauty and the Beast. I just think they're so cute, so they will be my Christmas bed covers. I have the throw that's the same pattern as the bed covers, and oh my god, I love that throw so much. I also got some Harry Potter pajamas. I will probably wear them like maybe this weekend. They're Umbridge's rules. I thought they were really cool, and then they've like a pink bow. They're really, really nice. They're just a really nice pair of pajamas, so had to get them. They're only a tenner as well. Actually, the Marie slippers, how much were ye guys? Marie slippers were a tenner as well, and the bed sheets that I got were €20. I got a few more slippers, so I got these ones with little stars on them. Thought they were really cute, and they're like a dusty pink as well. They kind of match the bed covers actually. They're nearly identical. I got Hello Kitty socks. How adorable. I love Hello Kitty. And then I got this little headband, a Minnie Mouse headband, because you know when I'm doing my makeup I like to keep my hair out of my face, and I just thought the little Minnie Mouse one was quite cute. That was a £5. Them slippers were £3.50, and I've no idea how much the Hello Kitty ones were because there's no price in them. I'd say they're around £3.50. I got another furry scarf. You know my grey one that I have, the furry one. This is just more of like a pinky, dusty pinky shade. This was €12, I believe. Yeah, 12. Next, I got a pair of earrings. These are obviously going to be worn out over Christmas time. I thought they looked lovely. They were €4, little tassel earrings. I'm not sure if I can pull them off, but I was saying to Lisa, my friend, I was saying that I like the tassel earrings, but I'm not brave enough to pull them off, and she was like, girl, you could totally pull them off. And the final things I got, oh my god, I am so obsessed with these. Ollie wasn't too keen, but they are high heels, and they were €19. They're kind of like scallop details. I thought that maybe they wouldn't be nice because they go around the ankle, but when I tried them on, they were perfect on, and the sizing is a little bit big to size, I will say. What size did I end up even getting? I ended up getting a 4, and I wanted to get the 3, but mum was like, no, your feet will be absolutely crushed. Another way your feet like would swell on nights out, but they are beautiful. They came in like a maroon shade as well, but I just wanted the nude. I wouldn't wear maroon. I wouldn't have any like occasion to wear maroon heels. I just think the nude ones will be well loved. When I was in Boots yesterday, I went to the YSL counter. I picked myself up a foundation, and the foundation that I got was the All Hours foundation. I've been dying to try this for so long. That's what the box of it looks like. Can't quite remember how much this was. I bought a second thing at the YSL counter, that's why I don't know how much it was. I am dying to try this. I got the shade B50 Honey. That's the shade that was matched to me, so I hope that it matches me when I apply it to my skin. I'm going to do a first impression of that because it's been a while since I did a high-end foundation. The last one I think I did was the Huda Beauty one, so I want to test it out and see what it's like. The packaging of it is so pretty. Wait, let's see this. I just saw the bottle and I was like, oh my god, I need that in my life, and everybody's been kind of raving about it online as well. Oh no! She gave me the wrong foundation. This isn't the one that I wanted. This is the Touche Eclat one. I don't want that one. I wanted the All Hours. Oh no! Now I have to bring it back. Oh, why? Oh, why? Oh, why? I said to the girl, I was like, All Hours foundation. And you know what's so funny? She went to the wrong area, and I was like, oh, maybe they've moved the All Hours because there was a display. And I was like, oh, maybe there's some bottles over there Damn. I don't know whether to hang on to this or return it. I don't even know where my receipt is. Ugh, I'll have to go root for that because I need... No, I want the all hours one. There's no point in hanging on to that one. Even though it's probably a lovely foundation, it's not the one I wanted. So I'm back in my room. It's now midnight and I'm gonna go sleep. I'm starting to actually get a headache again. I think it was just because of the amount of work that I was actually doing today. I edited 3 videos and started a 4th. I think I've done enough work today. I ordered a book and it came today. It's the Anna Faris, I never know how to say her surname. Unqualified it's called. So I'm going to start reading that now because I'm going to stop watching videos in bed. I think that's what's keeping me up at night because I'm just kind of like watching videos and then I see another thing and I'm like, oh, I'll click into that. Before you know it, you're binge watching like 50 videos and like discovering new people on YouTube, which is fun, but I think reading might actually help me sleep properly. So I'm gonna just go do my skincare routine now and then I will hop into bed. It's gonna be boring, I think. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. I don't have any major plans. I might go out tomorrow night, I'm not sure. I'm just kind of feeling it now. We watched a movie there tonight, Work Party I think it was called, with Jennifer Aniston. It was actually quite funny. I usually don't like movies like that because I just think they're really stupid. I love like The Hangover and I thought that this movie was just a teeny tiny bit like it, like teeny tiny bit, kind of fun. So I got a bit of a laugh out of that. So I'm gonna go do the skincare routine now and then I will say goodnight to you. Just in bed and I am frozen. It is super cold tonight. I was gonna wear my onesie into bed, but the last night I wore my onesie a couple of nights ago, I woke up in the middle of the night in a bucket of sweat because the heating must, well, it wasn't the middle of the night, it was probably about 7 in the morning, but the heating obviously came on in the house and I was just like, huh. So I'm just wearing a long sleeve top to bed and long legged bottoms, so that I can take them off easily if I get like sweltering in the middle of the night and I don't have to be like zipping down my onesie. I was talking to my personal trainer today. I haven't seen him in a while, not gonna lie. So I'm organising a personal training session where I think we're meeting him next Tuesday. So I'll be looking forward to that. I need to start exercising more. I am just ridiculously bad at exercising lately and I used to run so much. I used to run loads, like 2-3 times a week, maybe 4 times a week. I was so good at it and now I barely do any exercise and I think that's like, it's really important to get out and actually exercise. So I'm doing a personal training session. It's probably going to be really like easy because I'll have to ease myself back into the exercise thing, but I'm really looking forward to it, just actually doing something. And I'm just kind of planning a couple of things that I want to do in the new year. Like I have like a little list I'm like making of things that I want to do. I want to go to Disney World next year. That is my dream. That is the top of the list. It's something I want to do next year and I'm going to do whatever it takes to get there. I want to do it. Like that is just my number one kind of thing on my New Year's resolution. I probably won't get to go to like the end of the summer, but I do know that they have like storm season in Florida. I'm not sure when exactly that is. If you're from Florida and you're watching my video, can you please let me know when storm season is, or hurricane season I think it is, so I can avoid it at that stage. But I need to do that. That's one of the things that's on the top of my list. And then I have a couple of other like personal things that I want to do. Cooking was a big thing that I wanted to learn. I really need to learn how to cook properly. I also need to learn how to be a little bit tidier, a little bit neater and a little bit more organized. I'm very clotty. I'm really, really messy and it's so annoying. I'm not dirty, like I don't like plates, leftover food, or like dirty cups and mugs and stuff lying around, like not like that, but I'm just really clotty with my clothes. Like learn how to be a little bit neater and tidier and actually put a bit more effort into tidying. I love my like late night like epiphanies. I'm like, this is what I have to do, change my life, improve myself. Michelle and I were talking about that the other day, how we're just useless at the old cooking. Yeah, I really need to learn how to cook properly and cook proper Irish dinners, like, you know, your mashed potato and your veggies and chicken or whatever and your gravy, like a proper dinner. I need to learn how to do those. It may seem like it's so easy, but I either undercook or overcook potatoes. I just can't do them. Veg, easy peasy, but I've never cooked like a whole chicken or anything like that. I sound pathetic. I can make lasagnas and I can do stuffed chicken breasts and stuff, but a whole roast chicken, I wouldn't have a clue where to start. So I need to learn how to do these things. Christmas dinner as well, that's like a thing I would love to do some year, but I wouldn't have a clue where to start. And like cooking the ham and the turkey and making sure that the veg are cooked on time and the potatoes and timing and stuffing and I need to learn how to do it. So I'm going to really observe my mum and dad this year, because both of them cook together for Christmas. My dad always does the potatoes. He is amazing at making potatoes. So I want to see how mum and dad make Christmas dinner. Anyway guys, I'm gonna go sleep. I'm not even gonna apologize for the fact that some of these vlogs are hella boring. This is just my life. It's not very interesting. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I love you. Night.